Bats are among the most mysterious and unique creatures on our planet. Unlike most other mammals, they can fly, which in itself is an incredible biological achievement. But aside from their flying abilities, there's another fascinating trait that captures our attention and raises many questions. Why do bats prefer to hang upside down? This isn't just a quirky habit, but a unique aspect of their lifestyle. Let's try to understand why bats like to hang. To understand why bats behave this way, we need to take a closer look at their anatomy and body structure. The first thing to note is their legs. Unlike many other mammals, bats have elongated front limbs, particularly their fingers, which are covered by thin membranes. These membranes play a key role in flight, but they also influence how bats rest. When a bat hangs, its legs work as a kind of clamp that secures it in a vertical position. Bats don't hold on to branches or ceilings using muscle strength. This is a very unique feature. When a bat grabs onto a surface, its joints automatically lock, and it stays attached without any effort. This mechanism is known as passive locking, and it allows bats to hang in this position for hours without fatigue. But why did bats evolve this ability specifically to hang upside down? The answer lies in their evolutionary history and behavior. Bats are nocturnal animals, and their activity occurs during the night. At night, it is crucial for them to find safe and secluded spots to rest. Hanging upside down allows bats to hide in the most inaccessible places, such as caves, building attics, tall trees, or ceilings. These spots are often protected from many dangers and offer good conditions for nighttime rest. Hanging upside down also plays a role in their safety. Many predators are unable to reach bats because they are hiding in places that are difficult to access. Their resting spots, often high up in caves or buildings, are hidden from ground predators like owls or cats. Additionally, height offers protection from many terrestrial threats. One of the most interesting aspects of bat behavior is that their flight begins with them hanging upside down. In this position, they can easily take off and fly. Unlike birds, which can simply take off from the ground or a branch, bats cannot launch into flight directly from a surface. They need a certain amount of momentum, which they gain by starting from a hanging position. This allows them to conserve energy and immediately take off at high speeds. In addition to the practical benefits of hanging, this behavior plays an important ecological role in bats' lives. As we know, bats are nature's sanitarians, helping regulate insect populations. Many species of bats feed on insects, including night-flying moths, mosquitoes, and other pests. It's important to note that these insects are most active at night when bats begin their hunting. Hanging upside down allows them to move almost unnoticed to feeding sources. Additionally, some species of bats, like vampires, use this hanging behavior not only to rest, but also to hide in various secluded places from which they can embark on their nocturnal food hunts. Hanging in a safe spot gives them time to acclimatize and prepare for their nightly search for food. Sometimes the question arises, why don't bats fall, even if they hang for so long? The reason is that the muscles responsible for their grip do not require much effort. Bats essentially use special tendons and joints that automatically lock when they grab onto something. This means that bats can hang without using any energy and don't have to worry about staying attached. When a bat wants to let go of its resting place, it simply relaxes these tendons, and it easily detaches from the surface. This allows bats to live in an incredibly energy-efficient way, not wasting any energy on maintaining their position. Thus, the habit of hanging upside down is not just a strange behavior, but the result of evolution that allowed these animals to adapt to their nocturnal lifestyle and become some of the most effective predators in the night ecosystem. For bats, hanging upside down is not only a way to conserve energy, but also a means of hiding from predators and preparing for flight. This unique ability reflects how form and function can come together in nature to create amazing and sometimes unexpected solutions for survival. In the next video, we'll talk about how bats use echolocation to navigate in the dark. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on more fascinating facts about the animal kingdom.